I'm not going to start with a hype reel or a laundry room soundtrack. I know the feeling when you stare at a stack of tags, a half-filled basket of sports gear, and a couple of cozy blankets, and wonder whether the washer you're eyeing will actually handle the mix without turning everything into a soggy mess. That hesitation is real, and the decision often comes down to whether you're getting true value for the price, not just a glossy spec sheet. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, the LG 5.2 cuffed front-load washer is positioned as a big family machine, but the real test is how it behaves in everyday life. The capacity is genuinely generous. I've loaded a king-size comforter, 2 sets of kids' soccer uniforms, and still had room for a few extra socks. In a typical week, that means fewer loads, less time juggling cycles, and a noticeable dip in water usage. For households that do laundry in bulk, that extra space translates directly into savings on both water and electricity, especially since the unit carries the Energy Star badge and its estimated annual consumption sits around 105 kilowatt hours. The next thing most people worry about is noise. Front loaders can be notorious for rattling, especially when you throw in heavy items like denim or towels. LG's inverter direct drive motor does a surprisingly good job of keeping vibrations down. I placed the washer on a standard laminate floor without any anti-vibration pads, and the hum stayed well below a conversational level, even during the Turbowash cycle, which is the model's quick clean feature. That makes it a decent option for apartments with thin walls or for anyone who prefers to run a load at night without waking the rest of the house. Smart features can be a double-edged sword. On paper, the touchscreen control panel looks sleek and the Wi-Fi connectivity promises remote start, cycle monitoring, and maintenance alerts. In practice, the app is intuitive enough that I could start a wash from the couch while I was cooking dinner, and the phone sent a notification when the cycle finished. However, the real advantage shows up when you have an irregular schedule. If you're a commuter who often forgets to run laundry after work, the ability to trigger a wash from your phone can prevent that "I have to wait until tomorrow" mental block. That said, the app does require a stable home network. A spotty Wi-Fi signal can cause the washer to appear offline, which means you'd have to fall back to the manual controls. Now, let's talk about the stackable design. The black steel finish is modern and will blend nicely with most contemporary kitchens or laundry closets. But the stackability is only useful if you already own an LG dryer that's engineered to mate with it. The dimensions are tight. The washer itself is about 27 inches wide, which means you need at least 30 inches of clearance to accommodate the door swing and the front panel. If your laundry space is cramped, you might have to rethink the layout or sacrifice a countertop. The upside is that, when paired with the matching dryer, you free up floor space, which is a genuine win for small apartments or condos. From a cleaning standpoint, the steam and Turbowash technologies are where the LG really tries to differentiate itself. I ran a load of heavily soiled workout clothes that had a lingering odor from a week of training. After selecting the steam-enhanced cycle, the smell was substantially reduced, and the fabrics felt softer compared to a regular cold wash. The Turbowash option shaved off about 30 minutes from a typical normal cycle without sacrificing cleanliness on lightly soiled items. It's not a miracle cure for every stain, but for everyday grime, it delivers a noticeable boost. The trade-off is that the steam function adds a few extra minutes to the cycle and consumes a bit more energy, which might matter if you're trying to keep the utility bill as low as possible. Who should consider buying this washer? If you have a family of 4 or more, do a lot of bulk laundry, and value a quieter machine that can be controlled from your phone, this model checks most boxes. It also makes sense for anyone who wants a modern aesthetic and already has or plans to purchase an LG stackable dryer. The combined footprint can be a real space saver. On the flip side, if you live alone, do laundry in small loads, or have a very limited laundry area that can't accommodate a 27-inch wide front loader, you might be better off with a smaller, more compact unit. Also, if you're looking for the cheapest possible washer and aren't interested in smart features or steam cleaning, the premium price tag of this LG may not justify the incremental benefits. In terms of weaknesses, the primary concern is size and the need for a compatible dryer. The washer is heavy. You'll likely need 2 people to move it, which can be a hassle during delivery or if you ever need to rearrange. The control panel, while sleek, can be a little sensitive, A light tap sometimes registers as a command, which could be confusing if you're not